Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute girl holding a heart. So let's get started. To draw this sweet girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a big circle. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw her face first. Draw like the bottom of a U like I usually do. It's because we have this heart right here in the way that I need to draw the eyes first. So come right next to it and draw another big circle. Okay, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So this drawing here was totally inspired by a GIF that I saw on Facebook that a friend had posted for someone. And when I saw it, I'm like, oh, that's so cute. So I figured I would draw my version of it. But it is totally based on that GIF. Okay, so right here, same exact thing. So now let's spruce up the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve over the eye. So it just comes out a little point. And then from there, I'm going to come out right here, give it one thick lash, and then another one. So same thing over here. So I have this curve that comes out, and then the lashes. One and one more. From there, let's come to the bottom right here and just add a very, very slight line at the bottom, just to anchor the eye, if you like. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the center, right, about right here. Not too far down, but right here, I'm going to draw a smile for our cute girl and cap it off. So then now we can go ahead and draw her face. So I'm going to come right next to the eye. So how I usually draw it, so come out about right here. And I'm going to start with the bottom of a U coming down. So same thing on this side. And I know this side has a little bit more space, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have to draw this heart first. But like I said, if you have a pencil, just go ahead and draw the face first. So I'm going to tuck this heart. I'm going to use this as my guide. Use my mouth right here and come about right here. So a slight angle, and this is going to be my center. My heart is slightly tilted, so I'm just going to come out and draw this big heart. And I need it big enough so that I don't have to draw too many other details. So I'm going to bring this out kind of around where the face is, past the face, this area. Okay, so something like that. So then I'm just going to come in here and finish off the face first. And here. Okay. So then now for this heart, I'm going to come right here, like I said, the center, the angle, I'm going to bring it all the way down nice and big. Say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point. So now that I know I'm going at this angle, but right here I need to stop and draw her hand. So I'm just going to pop out a curve. And draw two fingers in here, two curves. And so same thing here. You pop out a hand and curves. So then let's finish this heart and bring it to our point. So then now it's centered. And same thing here. Right here. And connect it. There. A little tricky, right? But just make sure you know where your center is, where your angle of this heart is. Makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so then from there, you know what, let's come back up because she looks really weird right now, right? Let's come back up and draw her bangs. So I'm going to come back to where we started, and right here I'm going to start drawing her bangs. So I'm bringing a curve right across, and I'm just going to zigzag it a little bit to break it up. Continue this curve to the other side, about right there, and draw another zigzag and bring it right back down, just like the other side. Now I'm going to come right here next to it and I'm going to draw a strand of hair and curl it. And I'll thicken it up and connect. So same thing over here. So just, no, let's come on this side. Come out, curl, and thicken it up. There, so 2 strands, and then we can pop in her ear about this area right here. Just draw in a curve. If you have any space left, just finish off the ear. You can add a little curve right there for some detail. So same thing over here. Right here. Pop in her ear and add a curve for her detail. This side I'm seeing a little bit more. Okay, so then we have that in. So then now we can go ahead and draw more of her hair. So let's come out now, and we're going to start to draw a curve that goes around. So about right there, and we're going to bring this up. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this big curve right here. But I can't erase that easily, so I know there's this big bow in this area. So I'll just come about right here, just imagining this curve. So say about right here, I'll just pop in the bow. Let's go for it. So I'm going to draw the center of my bow, and I'm going to pop out the loops. Give a little curve in, and same thing over here. Oops, that's I went a little big. That's okay. And just draw the inside detail, and same thing here. And let's give it some curves right in the center. There, kind of fixed it. And then the tail of our bow, and one more here. There. Okay, so then now I'm going to go ahead and finish the top of her head. And bring it right there and back. Make some adjustments. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the top of, in this area, and we're going to draw a curve for her brow. That's the anime way, right? You can have brows over the hair. There, now it looks more complete, right? Her eyes don't look so weird anymore. And let's see. Okay, and then she has 2 buns, so extra cute factor right here. So in this area, I'm going to pop out a curve, and I'm going to draw this bun that comes out and bring it right in, and you can draw some curves to give it some detail if you like. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. Yeah, so right here, I'm just gonna pop out this bun, bring it in, and same thing. Some curves if you like. There. Okay, so now we can finally draw her body. So just still imagining this is nice and even. So say about right here. And here, I'm just going to pop out this very simple skirt. This little dress that she's wearing. So bring it out. So just make sure these two curves are still centered to her face. And then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. And the bottom, the center is a bit lower. So just make it at a curve. And if you like, you can come in here with a detail. And let's see here. And then her feet. So let's come about right here, centering them. And I'm going to bring them out. So I'm going to work on this side first. So I'm kind of having her toes pointing inward. So I just want to make sure I don't pass my center, about right here. Just draw a curve. And come out. And connect. Then for some detail, curve, and then another one. Make your ankle thinner. And then right here, you can add a little curve for a strap if you like. So same thing over here. Okay, so there, got her feet in. And so let's see here, have I forgotten anything? Oh, if you like, you can add some polka dots on her bow. That's how it is in the original. Okay, and so that is, oh wait, I totally forgot, sorry. If you like, you can write the word love right here. So I'll do that really quickly. And I'm gonna just do this in cursive. L, trying to fancy it up. And then O, V, and E. And I'll come in here and thicken all my downward strokes. There. Hope that's fancy enough. And let's add some hearts right here. So they're all done. I really hope this drawing here inspires you to draw it, and I hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.